Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Before we get started, look in the description below for free links to the PDFs and also the smart music exercise. If this helps you, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Here we go. I left that squeak inside of the recording because I wanted you to hear that not everybody's perfect and that if you make a squeak, it's all right. Just keep working through it. Squeaks are normal. They happen when you're a beginner player. They happen when you don't practice all the time, like me. I just try to record these videos as fast as I can. So take that as a lesson that no one's perfect and keep working out your issues, just like I will. Quick reminder before we get going, these notes here were slurred. You heard me not articulate them. And then these notes here were articulated. They were tongued, every single one of the notes. So for here, tongue the G, but don't tongue those notes after it. For these ones though, they do get articulation. So again, if this helped, let me know in the comments below. You guys are awesome. Keep up the good work. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.